And we'll take you out to Jackson Hole Resort once again, showing you a little bit of snow still on the sides of the mountains. This after our first snowfall of the season earlier this week, where several inches of snow fell, and the highest elevations been around 9,000 feet again here at Jackson Hole Resort. Tropical update though for you. Things are heating up in the Atlantic Basin now as we quickly approach the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season on September 10th. Still tracking some excessive heat in the eastern U.S. along with some fire weather concerns in the Intermountain West, and then some severe weather and heavy rain possibility. So there's Hurricane Miriam, Category 1 hurricane, lifting north now through the end of the week. Could start to snake a little bit farther west heading into the weekend and early next week. But the good news is that that is staying clear of the Hawaiian Islands for now. A very strong Hurricane Norman is in place now over the eastern Pacific. A very well-defined eye from earlier this morning. This is a Category 4 storm, and it looks like it could potentially become a Category 5 as we head into the late afternoon hours today, or maybe early morning hours tomorrow. Continues to drift to the west, and maybe even at Category 1 strength by early next week. So things are heating up in the Atlantic. As I mentioned, we have a potential tropical cyclone number 6 developing. This is going to be lifting here to the northwest just a little bit, and maybe Hurricane Florence as we head into the weekend. So we'll watch for that. But there is a look at our fire weather concerns to the Intermountain West. As we head east, D.C. is going to be very hot again today, but just northeast of that, we have heat advisories, not quite as widespread as it was yesterday. But D.C. up to near 100, 101 on Virginia Beach, and Boston feeling more like 90 this afternoon. Couple of marginal threat areas, but then a slight risk over southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. Better chance of strong to severe thunderstorms there. And then tomorrow, Minneapolis down to Kansas City, Missouri, and then kind of flattening out as we head into the midsection of the nation there on Saturday with heavy rain over the next few days.